A very good morning to all. Myself Pratibha Chaudhary, your English teacher. Students, today we read about adverb in chapter number 10. Adverb is made up of two words, at plus verb. An adverb is a word which describes or qualifies the verb. Now we study some of the examples of adverb. The cat pounced upon the rat quickly. Here the word quickly describes the verb pounced. Ritika arrived late at the spot. Here the word late describes the word arrived. The shopkeeper called the police immediately. Here the word immediately describes the verb called. Our English teacher lives here on this street. Here the word here describes the verb lives. The word quickly, late, immediately and here are all adverbs. An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb. So now we discuss 5 kinds of adverb in which we study how the work is to be done, where the work is to be done, when the work is to be done, how much the work is to be done and how often work is to be done. As you see in the book, an adverb answers the following questions. How Sarita ran fast. Where you can find him upstairs. When we shall now begin to work. How much the fox is a very clever animal. How often Ria frequently commits spelling mistakes in writing letters. So let's move to the kinds of adverb. First, adverb of manner. An adverb of manners answers the question how, as we read through an example. Second, adverb of place. An adverb of place answers the question where. Third, adverb of time. An adverb of time answers the question when an action is to be done. Fourth, an adverb of degree or quantity answers the question how much. Fifth and last kind, adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often. As I have told you about all kinds of adverb, let's look them out one by one in detail. The first one is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner shows in what manner an action is done. This calculator works accurately. Here, how it works accurately. Here the word accurately tells us about how the calculator works, or we can say in which manner the calculator works. Second is the soldier fought bravely. Here the word bravely tells us about how the soldiers fought, or we can say in what manner soldiers fought. Savita ran fast in the race. Here the word fast describes that how Savita ran. Fourth is the boy works hard. In this sentence, the word hard describes how the boy works. Here, the word accurately, bravely, fast and hard are adverb of manner. Remember, an adverb of manner answers the question how. Number second is adverb of place. An adverb of place shows at what place an action is done. The lamb followed Mary everywhere. Here the word everywhere tells us where the lamb followed Mary. He looked up. In what direction he looked? It answers the question where. Yes, he looked up. You can sit here. Where he can sit? Here. So here is an adverb. walk backward, or you can say stay inside. Here the words everywhere, up, here and backward are adverb of place. Remember, an adverb of place answers the question where. Third is the adverb of time. An adverb of time shows when an action is done. You should call him right now. You should call him right now. Here we are able to know he is able to call. But when he able to call? Now. So now is an adverb here. Have you seen this film before? They go for swimming daily. When he able to go for swimming? Daily. Here daily is an adverb. I hurt my knee yesterday. As these adverbs describe when action exactly happened. These are called adverb of time. Remember, an adverb of time answers the question when. Fourth is adverb of degree or quantity. Adverb of degree shows intensity of an action or thing. Answers the question how much. Will tell us in what degree or to extent. An adverb of degree shows how much or in what degree or to what extent something happens. For example, I am so glad to see you. Second, the fox is a very clever animal. Here, the fox is a noun. The word clever is an adjective which describes the noun fox. So, it is an adjective. The verb very describing the word clever. How clever the fox is. It shows the intensity or degree. It answers the question how much clever. Very, or we can say very clever. You are quite wrong. It was too careless. In the above sentence, you are quite wrong. The word quite is an adverb. It shows it what extents. Am I wrong? Answer will be quite wrong. Here the word quite tells the degree of this word. Okay. Fifth is adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency shows how often an action takes place. Shruti always completes her work on time. We are understanding that she does his work. What is the frequency and how often Shruti works? Here always describes that she completed her work on time. It describes frequency of adverb. Same as often again. Here the word always, often, frequently and again are adverb of frequency. Remember, an adverb of frequency answers the question how often. I hope students you all have understood this chapter. Now let's come to our exercises. Exercise number 1, underline the adverbs and mention their kinds. First is Preeti often borrows books from me. Here the word often is an adverb. It is an adverb of frequency. My father will return tomorrow. The word tomorrow is an adverb which shows the time when his father will return. Adverb of time. The weather outside is very pleasant. The word outside shows the place where the weather is pleasant. Adverb of place. She shut the door angrily. In what manner she shut the door? Adverb of manner. My grandfather frequently visits Vrindavan. Here the word frequently is an adverb. We describe the adverb of frequency. She is always late in submitting her notebooks. Here the word always shows in that she how often submitting her books. Adverb of frequency. I am getting late. I must go or leave now. Here the word now shows the time, at what time he must leave. Adverb of time. He spent all his money foolishly. In this sentence, foolishly is an adverb. It shows in what manner he spent his money. So adverb of manner. Now let's come to our next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the adverb given below. The hell box is given to you. Never, immediately, hard, always, soundly, recently, just, bravely. First sentence is honest people dash tell lies. We have to check every word that it is suitable for this sentence or not. Never, immediately, hard, always, soundly, recently, just, or bravely. So never is suitable for this sentence. Honest people never tell lies. The man works hard. I slept dash last night soundly. The train has just arrived. The pilot dash controlled the plane immediately. The sun always rises in the east. This fair was recently advertised on television. Our soldiers fought dash in the Kargil war. How the soldiers fought bravely. Now let's come to our next exercise. C. Choose the correct option to complete the following sentences. Read the question paper dash before attempting it. You have to given two options. One we choose which is suitable for the sentence. Read the question paper carefully before attempting it. The birds sing softly or harshly amid the branches. So here softly word is correct for this sentence. Third, the children sat silently, happily after the teacher's scolding. Silently. We celebrated Ravi's birthday merrily or happily? Merrily. Students, as we know, we celebrate good things merrily, just like birthdays, anniversaries, our festivals, etc. I slept happily or soundly? Soundly. We should get up early or late in the morning. So we should get up early in the morning. The thief entered the house loudly or quietly? Quietly. The thief entered the house quietly. The salesman spoke politely or rudely? Politely to the customers. Now we come to our last exercise. D. Use the opposite adverb in place of colored word. One example is given for your help. First is students need to write badly in the exams. Color word is badly. So we have to change into opposite. Students need to write neatly in the exams. Here we change the word badly into opposite word neatly. Rohan always completes his work on time. Here the colored word is always. So we changed into opposite word. Rohan seldom completes his work on time. Second, we enjoyed our holiday merrily. Here colored word is merrily. We change merrily into opposite word. We enjoyed our holiday angrily. He does his work carefully. Here the word carefully is in colorful. So we change it into opposite word he does his work carelessly. The traffic moves quite slowly on the highways. What is opposite of slowly? Yes, fastly. The traffic moves fastly on the highways. We should speak politely to others. The opposite of politely is rudely. We should speak rudely to others. Okay, thank you students.